and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the latest features of Java 20. Java 20 is the latest regular update release of the Java programming language, and it includes a number of new features that make it even more powerful and versatile. Virtual threads. One of the most significant new features in Java 20 is virtual threads. Virtual threads are a new way of managing concurrency in Java that can significantly improve the performance of multi-threaded applications. Virtual threads are lightweight and efficient, and they can be scheduled and executed independently of each other. This makes them ideal for applications that need to handle a large number of concurrent requests. Record patterns and pattern matching for switch. Another new feature in Java 20 is record patterns and pattern matching for switch. Record patterns are a new way of representing data structures in Java, and they can be used to simplify the code for working with these structures. Pattern matching for switch is a new feature that allows you to use patterns to match values in switch statements. This can make your code more concise and easier to read. Sequenced collections. Java 20 also introduces a new interface called sequenced collection. Sequenced collections provide direct access to the first and last elements of an ordered collection. This can be useful for applications that need to iterate over a collection in a specific order. String templates. Java 20 also includes a preview feature for string templates. String templates are a new way of formatting strings in Java that can make your code more concise and easier to read. Unnamed patterns and variables. Another preview feature in Java 20 is unnamed patterns and variables. Unnamed patterns and variables allow you to use patterns and variables without giving them names. This can be useful for applications that need to be more concise or for debugging purposes. These are just a few of the new features in Java 20. If you're interested in learning more about these features, I encourage you to check out the Java documentation. In this video, I've focused on the most significant new features in Java 20. There are a number of other new features in this release, so I encourage you to check out the Java documentation for more information. I've also included a few preview features in this video. Preview features are new features that are still under development. They may not be fully supported by all Java implementations, so it's important to check the documentation before using them. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more Java tutorials. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more Java tutorials. Thanks for watching.